Come on.
What up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? It's Tay&DHen Entertainment here. We have, what's your name? Tay.
And Zaya. And today we're going to be doing Guess What You're Eating Challenge.
Alright, you guys, it's Devin's turn. Since he thought he had one up on me, I'm about to get him good. You ready?
Yeah, I guess so.
Alright, so blindfold yourself. And make sure you can't see nothing.
Let me get right.
I feel like these are good, so they better be good. Alright, you guys, let me grab the bowls. Put it over your nose, too, because I know you can
You
see
can't
it.
have it over your nose.
I did have it over my nose. Or like on my nose. Alright, you guys. Alright, you guys, I got the bowls now. I'm going to show you what's inside. They're already on the spoons for him, so let's go. Here's the first one. And it's already scooped in there for you. So just grab it up. Now you see how I feel.
Okay.
He trying to cheat. Put your head down.
Oh no. Can I smell it?
Just, no, you ain't give me no options, did you? Go ahead.
What the heck? Mmm.
He's so nasty. You nasty for chewing that. And you don't get no
chip
water.
Cookie with mustard on it.
No, it was not. It was an animal cracker with mustard on it.
And it went through my nose.
Alright, here go your next one. This should be good, you guys. No, like it's gonna taste good.
That was nasty. That was nasty. We just did too. I don't think I can take it all, man. It don't feel heavy. It feel heavy, y'all. What is this? Oh no, it better not be. Is it cooked?
What you mean? Don't try to. No, you cheated.
It's feel heavy, like it's a sardine or something on here.
Do we have sardines?
Let me go ahead and try this out real quick.
Go ahead. No, you cheating.
I got that mustard taste in my mouth still. Let me try.
No, you cheating.
What the heck? Is this mayonnaise?
You gonna take another bite?
I ain't taking another bite. What is that? Yeah, mayonnaise with salsa?
You fat. You nasty for licking it again. Alright, here.
With a spoon.
Oh.
I get something sweet.
This is definitely gonna be sweet for you. Hold on, let me help you out. Oh. How did this one fall off? There we go.
Oh my goodness. I can't do this. What's the time we got?
4 minutes.
So we had a cookie with mustard on it. Some mayonnaise tastes like with salsa in it. This last one. Can I get a hint?
No, you did you give me hints?
It's jiggling on the spoon. What is this?
Go ahead.
It's jiggling.
Stop. You cheating.
Oh, I gotta be.
Y'all see how he cheating? Then he let me do all that. See, he cheating.
What the heck?
He cheating.
A piece of bread with lemon juice on it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, is it?
Go ahead and eat some more, yo. You nasty. Y'all, he nasty.
Ugh. That kind of tastes good.
Oh my
In
goodness.
a weird way.
Well, that was a fail, you guys. I thought I had got him good.
Hey.
And he can't dance, so we're gonna.
What's up, you guys? She totally failed in trying to do this challenge. I'm obviously the winner. So you guys go ahead and click the like button. Smash the like button. Comment down below. And definitely subscribe. And we'll holler at you guys for the next challenge. Peace.